Welcome all of you guys. This video is going to be very strong and very effective for all of you. I really want to tell you something which is very important for you. Those who are suffering from panic attack, please listen to me very carefully. Don't ever do these things if you are going to have a panic attack. If you are realizing that sooner or later you're going to have a panic attack, please don't do these things. At least one thing, you must not do that. Look, at the time of panic attack, although it's very frightening, very scary, very damn thing, very painful, and the minute it seems very lonely. But the thing is, when you realize when you are about to going to get a panic attack, the worst thing you do with yourself is you start inhaling a lot of oxygen. Isn't that? You feel that you are not able to breathe. Due to this fear, you carry on with your breathing as if you want to have all the oxygen. You try to take as much oxygen as you can, but that is the most rubbish thing you can do. That is the most stupid thing that can be done. I know it sounds very stupid, I know it sounds very skeptical, but at the same time, please listen to me. Don't you dare to do that, please. Now, if you don't have any idea regarding panic attack, I have already made a video. Pause the video and go and check out the link. You'll find a very helpful video. If it did help you, please leave a message and do subscribe and comment in the comment box. Your subscription is very helpful for me to make me motivated to make videos for you all. Now, the thing is, I want you to do, before we even talk about it, before we even let's talk about the worst fear of panic attack, I want you to at least subscribe this channel, hit a thumbs up, make notification bell ring. Now let's start. What you don't need to do is to breathe. All I want you to do is to exhale as much as you can. Hold it there. Make it more energetic, as if you are sneezing. Bend your head like this. Hold it tight, because the more you take oxygen, it's going to make things very complicated. It's going to make you suffer even enough. Why? Because your body is going to hyperventilate. You'll have palpitation. You understand my point? All you have to do is to exhale as much as you can. Hold it right there. Tuck your chin in. Now take slow and deep breathe. I know many of you are recommended to have a deep breathing. Stop it. That is going to make the things worse. I know what it sound. I know what I'm telling about. Because the time you are having a panic attack is also the time you are going to get hyperventilated. I want you to exhale as much as you can. Make it a practice. To exhale as much as you can. What it will do, it will improve your posture. It will improve your back muscles also. So please, this is the good idea. This is the best advice that I can give you at the time of panic attack. I understand that at that particular time nobody is going to help you. Even you cannot help yourself. So all you need to do is to do a lot of practice. Exhale as much as you can. Then you take slow and deep breathe. Hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please leave a message, subscribe this channel, please, and like and share it with your friends and family who are suffering from panic attack. I know what I'm telling you. Please don't hyperventilate yourself. Do as much as exhaling as you can. It will improve you at the time when panic attacks knocks you down. That is the very point you need to realize. You'll have to exhale. Did this video help? If it helped you, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.